In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams on laptop and PC Windows. If you want to install Microsoft Teams on a Windows computer, the process is very simple and should only take a minute or two. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your laptop or desktop PC. Once your browser is open, go to the official Microsoft Teams download page. It's important to use the official Microsoft website so you're downloading the correct and most up-to-date version of the app for Windows. This also helps you avoid unofficial download sites that may be outdated or unsafe. When the Microsoft Teams download page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the page for Teams desktop and mobile apps. On this page, you'll usually see different download options depending on your device. Since we're installing Teams on a Windows laptop or PC, look for the option labeled Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Once you find that button, click on Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. As soon as you click it, the download should begin automatically in your browser. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, you may see the file appear in your Downloads bar, Downloads folder, or in a small pop-up showing the progress. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, go ahead and allow it. This is normal. Also, if you don't immediately see the file, check your Downloads folder, since that's the most common location where the installer will be saved. After the file finishes downloading, you'll be ready to open it and continue with the Teams installation on your computer. Make sure you see where the file was saved so you can find it easily. If needed, you can also open your browser's download history to locate the installer quickly. A helpful tip here is to close any unnecessary apps before installation if your computer is running slowly, since that can make the setup process a little smoother. You'll also want to make sure your Windows device is connected to the internet during download, and that's how to download Microsoft Teams on a laptop or Windows PC. Once the installer has been downloaded, you're ready for the next part of setup and installation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.